Today on BarmyAutomotive, we're replacing blades, pulleys underneath. Well, they're on top, but they're underneath with how this is sitting. We're going to do a tune-up on the old John Deere. So, my man Kirk from PK Equipment in Bartlesville, that's my John Deere dealership, just called to let me know the rest of my parts are in for that mower. So we're getting ready to make that. It's roughly around 45-minute drive over to Bartlesville, because unfortunately that's about the closest John Deere place to me. But we're getting ready to head over there and pick us up some parts. Alright, so we're back from the parts store. We picked up some new pulleys, got the new blades on underneath now. As you can see, this deck has seen better days, but you know, it's a mower. It does what it's supposed to. So we got the deck done. The reason we had to do all this is because that pulley right there lost all the bearings out of it and exited the chat room. And we got a new belt. Now, tune up on the old John Deere. Alright, so got the maintenance done, oil changed, spark plugs changed, new air filter in, new belt, new pulleys, new blades. She good to go, boys.